A massive congratulations to the Super Eagles of Nigeria having won today's game against Tanzania. It is a welcome development, and a very thank to Ajayi and Lukman, about 36 minutes, who opened the first goal. It was about 53 minutes when the Tanzania about to equalize with the Super Eagles of Nigeria. But Lukman saw behind a reasonable doubt to say, okay, we cannot go on a goal draw, to add one goal, making it 2-1. I must commend the effort of the coach, having studied the game and having put the people right over the victory of tonight's game. I think Osimhen really tried the possible best to make sure he had a goal from today's match against Tanzania. But it was a really tough game. The Tanzania tried all their possible best to make sure they surpassed the Super Eagles of Nigeria. But the Super Eagles deemed right to say, okay, we're going to win today's match ahead of the Africa Cup of Nations Group C. It is a wake-up development. Kudos to all the players, both home and abroad, and I pray for a better performance ahead of the Africa Cup of Nations.